Hey guys, welcome back. I'm me, DC Connor, and today I'm gonna talk to you about the new Tudor FXD, and I also have unboxing. And whenever a new Tudor comes out, I do a little reaction video, even if it's a black whole ceramic Tudor. It's kind of interesting. And this FXD new Pelagos, I'm a Pelagos fan, and some of you asked me, what do you think about this new Tudor? I usually do reaction videos, but this one I just glanced at it and I just passed. I decided I'm just gonna pass. It's not worth it. I get it. I get the watch. It's a FXD Marine Nationale marketing spin. And it's a very cool marketing spin because they do actually have some true real history connected to it. But I'm not gonna buy a watch just based on history. I think the first generation Tudor Pelagos 2-liner ETA is perfect. No date on that watch would be even better for me personally because I hate to set the dates on so many watches. And but even with the date, I think it's perfect. This new one, I looked at it and I just don't feel it. I just don't feel it. First of all, the bezel kind of looks too busy when you compare it to the old version. And I do understand this is like a professional proper dive watch, and the lack or absence of the bracelet is one of those things that is a no-go for me, especially on a watch that has such a good bracelet. Tudor Pelagos bracelet is excellent, and the patent on the clasp, it's almost perfect. So if you ask me, the original version or the bracelet version of Tudor Pelagos is still my favorite, not the LHD, the left-hander. Just normal Pelagos is perfect for me. And yeah, the fixed logs on it, it's not a plus for me. It's a plus if you're a professional diver, but professional diver has computers, as you know. So still love the original Pelagos. I miss that watch every day. I need to get one back. Just looking for the right one in the right condition and everything. So hopefully one day I will find one, and when I see it I will get it back, because that's one of those watches that I terribly regret selling. And I do not regret selling it because it allowed me to buy my reversal, which I adore, but I do need to get it back. So now I have unboxing, and this is also unboxing I didn't plan to do online, but when I saw how it looks and how it's cool, and when I saw how it looks and how cool it is, I decided to do it because the owner of this company is a really cool guy, and he sent me this to check it out. And this is like a Mirage travel, luxury travel. So I'm very skeptic when someone says it's luxury, but I will show you. And also has some cool swaggers in here. Is that how you say it? Some cool swag. Here you have pouch, and you have some stuff here. You can scan the codes and enter the giveaway here and tag them on Facebook and whatnot. But what I want to show you is that I got a real, I like this stuff here. This is a pouch, and I got a real luxury. Well, I don't know, would you call it luxury, because it's affordable, but it feels luxury, smells like true proper leather, which it is. And this is a watch travel pouch, and see, it has these slots here. I don't know if you can see it. It has slots, you can slot it out here, and yeah, I have a cool sticker, handmade with love, and thank you so much. Those are little things that I like, just like when I got those nutsack bags. But yeah, the quality is top notch, and definitely these can justify the luxury tag. This is a black version. They have a green version, suede, chestnut, cognac, tobacco brown, all sorts of colors. With the three-piece collection, three-piece slot, four-piece slot here. I got a two-piece slot, so yeah, just wanted to show you this. This is very cool. I'm looking forward to traveling when things go back to normal with these, and not just to travel. These are very convenient, so you can keep your watches. I don't like big fancy watch boxes. Periodically, because I have a little baby here, so he wants to check out everything right now. And yeah, and this is also good. You can store it in your safe, even though I have those watch rolls, but you can store it in your safe, and it's super convenient for traveling. So yeah, Mirage luxury travel cases. I will link you in the description box so you can check them out. I will make some more videos about these, but yeah, so that's it, guys. I'm not a really biggest fan of the new Pelagos Tudor, but I do like these. These are awesome. Smells like leather. I love leather.